Your child is terrified of dogs, or the dark, or a new classroom. Your instinct is to remove them from the fear, to make it go away. But here's what the neuroscience of bravery reveals. That instinct might be holding them back. When your child faces fear, their watchdog amygdala barks loud and clear. If you swoop in and rescue, that watchdog learns, I was right to panic. The fear circuit strengthens. But if you stay calm and let them face it, with you as their steady anchor, something different happens. Psychologists use a simple formula. Anxiety plus bravery equals confidence. Notice, anxiety isn't the problem, it's a required ingredient. Bravery only rewires the brain when fear is present. Without the fear, there's no learning. This is called inhibitory learning. The brain learns, I was scared and I survived. To help your child, you build a bravery ladder, small, manageable steps. Each rung teaches the brain, that thing I feared, I can handle it. Your job isn't to eliminate fear, it's to be the lap bar on a roller coaster, steady, present, trustworthy. When they look back at you and see calm, their nervous system learns, I'm safe enough to try. So, next time your child freezes, don't rush to rescue. Anchor them. Say, I'm right here, you've got this. That's how brains build confidence.